In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add jQuery in Elementor. If you're a WordPress user looking to enhance your site's interactivity with custom scripts, this tutorial is for you. We'll guide you step by step through integrating jQuery into your Elementor-built pages effortlessly, even if you're not a coding expert. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel where all site content and configurations happen. From here, navigate to the Pages section. Once there, click on All Pages. This will show you a list of every single page you have on your WordPress website, making it easy for you to find the page you want to edit. Now, it's time to select the specific page where you wish to add the jQuery code. Once you have located the desired page, you'll see an option to Edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click on that to open the Elementor Page Builder interface. Elementor is an intuitive, easy-to-use editor that allows you to create beautiful, functional web pages without needing to dive deep into code. Once you're inside the Elementor editor, the next step is to bring in the HTML widget. To do this, look to the Widgets panel on the left side. It contains a variety of tools and features to enhance your page. Use the search bar in the panel to find the HTML widget. When it appears in the search results, simply click on it, hold it, and drag it into any section within your page. This is where your jQuery code will live, so choose a section that's relevant to the script's functionality. With the HTML widget in place on your page, it's time to paste your jQuery code into it. You might have written this code beforehand, or perhaps you sourced it online. Either way, just copy your jQuery script and paste it directly into the HTML widget box. Elementor makes it seamless to integrate such scripts without needing additional plugins or complicated setups. Once your code is placed inside the HTML widget, it's crucial to ensure that your changes are saved. Look towards the bottom of the Elementor interface and you'll see an Update button. By clicking this button, your edits, including the imported jQuery script, will be saved to the page. This step is vital to ensure everything you've done isn't lost and your jQuery runs as expected. Now that your changes are saved, it's time for a quick preview. Viewing your page in real time allows you to see the effects of the jQuery script and ensure everything works as planned. This simple check grants you peace of mind and confirms that your interactivity enhancements are live. And there you have it. You've successfully added jQuery code to your Elementor page, unlocking new possibilities for interactive and dynamic web elements. Experiment freely and watch your website's engagement and functionality enhanced by your custom scripts.